back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar and also salad bar channel, guys. Anyway, it is coming up to summer with spring. Summer is just around the corner. You know, the kids them gonna be off school. I have to make things for the kids them at home. So parents, you know what I mean, start to put things in your fridge. Like my daughter keep asking me for a lot of things for summer already, and some of that even come yet. Well, anyway, we want to make you a nice, lovely, simple, you know what I mean, mixed fruit smoothie with some yogurt and, you know what I mean, raspberry and bits and pieces. I'll explain it to you guys as I go and make it, as I go on my way and make it true. So as I said, you know what I mean, it's soon summer when the kids are gonna off school, and this is smoothie. Start making some smoothie for the kids them, you know what I mean, that's, you know, you have to support the kids them. So parents, get ready, and you know what I mean, if it doesn't buy your Ninja blender, you know what I mean, buy and get it ready, you know what I mean, because summer gonna be really hot, so you have to have things, you know what I mean, pot up a lot of ice cream, lolly, and you know what I mean, yogurt and all them stuff in the fridge. So this is how it starts. It's a simple recipe but really nice. Look at this. This is just like some mixed fruits, which you can also get in the local shop or supermarket to buy. You got strawberry, raspberry, all different kind of fruits in it, and fruits always good for the kids. So basically you can get this in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. So I'm just using probably about half cup, and I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my blender like this. Nice and lovely. So that's the mixed fruits I've just put inside of it. This is a strawberry flavor yogurt, you know, so which I'm going to put inside of it also. Got, you can get these strawberry yogurt in the supermarket to buy or the local shop, and that's why I normally buy them for my daughter. So I bought a portion but she didn't want anymore, so I decided to just put them straight inside of my smoothie blender like this, because she not gonna know say I put these in here. So I'm gonna make this for her, and look how she's gonna be happy, because the way I'm doing it, she's gonna love it. So this yogurt is raspberry again, so I'm gonna put some yogurt inside of it now. And this one is raspberry again. I have a few yogurt, I need to just use them up because my daughter doesn't want them. Nice one. So I got two more. So these two is just apple. As I said, get ready for summer. This is an apple flavor. And this is another apple flavor again. These are just some yogurt which my daughter doesn't want, and I'm making a nice lovely smoothie for her. Lovely. Nice one. Alright. Then what we're going to do is just put a little bit of milk inside of it. Not too much. Just to free up the blender. I'm gonna be blending this about 4 seconds. I don't think it will take 4 seconds, but you know, let's see. Really nice. I love this one. This is a cool recipe, honestly. And you know, it's just good to have stuff in the fridge, you know what I mean? When the kids them doesn't want, you just twist it and make something really nice for them. Give it a shake. Nice. So let's put this one aside. All right. Alright guys, and then I'm gonna get my glass and I'm gonna pour it inside of it just to see. So as I just finished blend it, so what I'm going to do now is, this smells amazing. So look at this now. Honestly, the kids them definitely will love this. When I ask the question, I know 100% the kids them will love it, because you got the flavor and you got everything into it. So definitely 100% they will love it. Alright guys, it's just yogurt and, you know what I mean, raspberry mixed fruits, and look at that. Just a beautiful recipe for the summer for the kids then. So yeah, parents, get ready and, you know what I mean, make this for the kids then and enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe coming out and a lot more ideas, and also we will make a lot of different kind of smoothie in the summer for family, parents, and all these things. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.